Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
I'm sure you do because you use your brain a lot. And Baba is proud. Now I'm gonna give you your banana, and I'm gonna give Baba a shirt. I'm gonna give you a banana first. Then I'm gonna give my shirt. You wanna take the thing?
Please put it in the trash can.
Give me a shirt. Okay. Oh yeah, that's your new thing we learned. Yeah, we can pull all that out.
I got this butterfly.
Yeah, we can pull it all out. This is part of science.
I got these bugs.
They're fake. They're pretend bugs.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, but I tell you what, this is how we.
What is this?
So that's what we're gonna learn this week. This will be part of your science. Remember, we have.
This is a bug too.
Yeah, we're gonna talk about it. It's kind of we're gonna go through like your cycles, just like.
And this is the egg with your head.
Yeah, we're gonna figure this out, alright? So, what this means is actually.
I hold ladybugs to be for real ladybugs.
Alright, so you tell me which bug or animal do you want to explore to figure out the life cycles? Which one?
Ladybug.
Alright, so let's look for the ladybug. Alright. We have. Okay, we found the ladybug. Is that the ladybug?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see what we have here.
I picked up ladybugs before, right, Baba?
Yep, you sure have. Look, so
And
these.
a ladybug didn't bite me before.
Alright, so let me do it this way. Okay, so we're reading it from left to right, okay? Say from left to right. Right, okay. So, you know how you started in Ima's belly?
Yeah.
Alright, so now we gotta see where did the ladybugs start? They started as what?
Here.
Yeah, so those are eggs. So let's see if we can find the one that got a bunch of eggs.
Over here.
Is that the right one? Oh.
And white egg.
Not white eggs. I don't see any white eggs, do you?
Yeah, right here.
Oh yeah, but that's probably for a chicken or something. That's not for a ladybug. Alright, so look. Say ladybug eggs. Yeah, they're little tiny. So you can put them on the ladybug egg. Yeah, so that was the first thing that happens before they become a ladybug. Alright, can you say life cycles?
Like that goes.
Yeah, that's what
Do we broke them over?
No, just listen. So, you know, after you was in Ema belly, then you started growing?
Yeah.
Alright, so look.
What is this?
We can talk about those in a little bit, okay? Let's focus on the ladybug, right? Okay?
Okay.
Alright, so this is a ladybug egg. So after it turns into an egg, then it turns into a pupa.
What is that?
A goes from eggs to a pupa. You see a pupa in me? Try again. That looks like a pupa.
It is a pupa.
Alright, put that on ladybug pupa. Right? Put it on where you see it. Yeah. Alright. So it goes from an egg.
Okay.
So it goes from an egg to a pupa to a larva. Whoa. What is that? Which is a larva?
This one.
Yeah. That's kind of crazy.
Yeah, I never seen that bug before.
Well, it's what?
Turn to a ladybug.
Yeah, just like a caterpillar turns into a butterfly.
Yeah.
So grab your ladybug and put it right there.
Turn right here.
So this is called life cycle. When you say life cycle,
Life cycle.
right? So you start from the egg, and then it turns into a pupa, and then it turns into a larva, and then it turns into a ladybug.
A pupa.
Larva.
Larva. Ladybug.
Yeah. Say eggs.
Eggs.
What's that?
What is this bug?
You want to find out which one that one is?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see which one that one is. So now that we got this one, let's put this to the side over here, and then we're going to work the other one, okay?
Okay.
Alright. So,
I've never seen this bug before.
well, ooh, guess what it is? What's that one?
A bee.
Yeah, so that is for the bee. Wow. Did you know bees look like that before they become a bee?
How these are bees?
Yeah, so check it out. So, that's their egg. Which one is that in here? It looks like this.
This.
Okay, so they start off as eggs too. Alright. So, this is a bee egg. You got the bee egg?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna put that up there. And then you got the bee larva. Where's the larva? Oh. Yeah. Wow. That's kind of crazy.
Yeah, I've never seen that bug before.
Yeah, it's a larva. That's a larva too. That's a ladybug larva. This is a bee larva. Alright, so what's after that? A pupa. Alright, let's see if we can find the pupa, which is here. Okay, which one? Can you see a pupa in there? Yeah, ooh, that looks crazy.
Yeah, I've never seen this bug before.
Yeah, that's because they do this in hiding before they become real bees. So, you got the pupa there. Alright, and where's the bee?
This thing.
Yeah.
And they do honey.
Oh yeah, they do like honey.
And sometimes they do honey for us.
Oh yeah, they do honey for us. Alright, so you got so the ladybug started as an egg, and the bee started as an egg, right?
Right.
Then the ladybug had a pupa, and the bee got a pupa too. A bee got a larva, and the ladybug got a larva. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Alright, so what's another insect you want to do? The butterfly? I think you know this one too.
I like butterflies.
Okay. So, hold on. So, we got the. What are those? See if we can find one. Not yet. It doesn't turn into that yet, but you're pretty close. Let's see. Those butterfly eggs. Those little eggs. For the caterpillar. Remember, it's gonna turn into a butterfly. All right, hold on. Say next. Say next.
Next.
Alright, so it goes.
Those are two frogs.
Yeah, we'll do frogs next, okay?
Okay.
Oh. It goes from eggs and larvae to a caterpillar. Whoa.
Then a butterfly.
Whoa, wait, not yet. Then it turns into a.
Butterfly.
Well, what's this one? It's like a little cocoon.
Cool.
Yeah. Yeah, so it goes from an egg to a caterpillar, then it wraps itself up into one of these, and then what?
Like a swing.
Kind of, and then it turns into what?
Butterfly.
Whoa, that is crazy. You wanna do the froggy next?
Yeah.
Alright. So we got.
I've never seen these bugs
Well,
before.
we probably about to do. Oh, hold on. What are these?
I don't know. Eggs.
Yeah, those are eggs for froggies. That's kind of crazy.
I've never seen those eggs.
And then we got regular eggs. And then you got tadpoles.
I've never seen tadpoles before.
Yep, those are your tadpoles.
I've never seen those tadpoles before.
Oh, I did it wrong. Okay. So it goes egg, and then it goes tadpole, the first one. And then it goes tadpole with 2 legs, and then tadpole with 4 legs, and then a frog. And this one got a lot of them. Alright, okay. So here we go. So it goes from what? What are these?
Eggs.
Yeah, frog eggs. Then it turns into a tadpole. Crazy.
Then another tadpole. Then a
Yeah.
frog. Then
Yeah, so look, we need a tadpole with 4 legs. Can you find me? I got it. Can you find me a tadpole with 4 legs? Yeah. Whoa. Tadpole. No, you gotta put it in the tadpole one. Yeah. Now, where's the big froggy at now? Yeah. There you go. Good job.
I want the little one.
Well, that's all of them. Now we got, these are chickens. Those are chickens now. You wanna do chickens?
Yeah.
Alright, let's move this up. So we've been doing a lot of them.
Yeah.
Alright, we almost done. We got like 2 more.
I
And
got in
then-
this.
okay, thank you.
Did you put it on the floor?
Yeah, just for a second. And I'll get to it later. Because we learning right now. Alright, so you wanna do the chicken now?
Yeah.
Alright, so for the chicken, you got the
I didn't know you had those.
chicken eggs. Where the chicken eggs at?
Eggs.
Yeah, those chicken eggs. And then, like Uncle Dan got 2 eggs. And
Yeah.
then the egg hatch. Okay.
This one.
Yeah, and then the egg hatch. And then it turns into a chick. A little baby chick. And then it turns into a big chicken after the chick. Mm-hmm. Oh, so it goes from an egg.
Uncle Dad has those chickens.
Oh, yeah, the last one is a sprout. Want to do a sprout?
Sprout.
Yeah. Alright. We gotta move this a little
I
bit.
got a thing in here. See?
Hmm?
They drink things.
Oh yeah, the roots. That's how it grows. We're gonna do. Let's do the last one. And well, we got one.
I never seen roots before.
Oh yeah, I'll show you. And then we go outside. Alright, this is the last one. So we get a bean plant. That's so it's called a bean plant. So it starts off as
A bean.
yeah, it starts off as a seed though.
Seed.
Oh yeah, that looks like it right there. Yep. And then after the seed, it turns into germination.
This.
Yep, that's right. That's called germination. Then it goes into seedling. Seedling.
Seed.
Yeah. Then it turns into a bean plant.
A bean plant.
So, look at that. Okay.
We got this.
Yeah, we do got these. These are different ones. You can do these later. I already got your quarters.
Can I have some corners?
Yeah. Okay. Good job. This is actually called science too.
Oh.
Yeah, so we got science with like experiments. You got science with life cycles. So learning about like where things start at and where things end. So it starts as eggs and it ends as a creature. So it
Yeah.
starts as an egg and ends as a butterfly.
Then it goes like this.
From left to right. Alright, so you learned something good. So you get your 3 quarters.
Think about it.
You're welcome.
Which corner do that one?
Well, you got a lot of quarters, so it doesn't really matter where you put them. Right?